over the edge binding. I'm just going to show you a few steps that we do in the process of binding carpets. First of all, we cut it to the customer's size, which they wanted a 2x3. Then what we do is we bevel the edge, as you notice that the fibers are hanging over. So once we bevel that, and the tape will look even along the carpet. Now you can see how that is sitting straight, and that will go through the binder perfectly straight, and the tape will be even. Now that we finished beveling the carpet, now we're ready to send it through the binding machine. We have it all set up. Now I also built an air table, so what that does is with larger pieces it will just help to maneuver the carpet instead of the machine having to tackle it. So when I turn the machine on, the air table, you'll see that the carpet will lift. So now that the edge is finished, you can see how flat the tape is evenly along the whole edge, and that's caused by beveling.